No ND filter. We're at 6x zoom, which is on the 60 millimeter and then cropped in. But here you go, you can see what it looks like. This is 1/1000th of a second auto wide balance, and I believe the ISO is at 100. I wanted to show you a quick still from the 1/1000th of a second shot. Now this is ND32 set on number 5, and it is 1/130th of a second, ISO 100. So here's a shutter of 1/30th from the video, and I wanted to show you them side by side, and as you can tell, there's definitely a difference. There's also a little bit more warm tint to the ND filter, so you might want to be aware of that. It's not significant. It can be corrected pretty easily, but there is definitely a warm tint. And here's a good demonstration side by side of how they look. As some would say, the left looks more cinematic due to the natural blur.